Hi guys, welcome to this video. Happy New Year to you. I hope you have a fantastic 2023. I wanted to start off with a really good video. It's going to be a brief video, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can do keyword research for affiliate sites and niche sites to rank pretty much any niche. So what I'll say straight away from the outset of this video is that you can use this for any niche that you can think of, as long as it's a product, as long as it's something people buy, and as long as they're buying it for a certain reason, you can incorporate this on any niche that you're conducting keyword research on, and it will give you a really good step by step to be able to rank. Part of the reason that this works so well is that you're sidestepping a lot of the competition and you're actually going for keywords that will get you ranked, and keywords that are high converting, and keywords that allow you to get in on any niche, even if it's more competitive. So subscribe, do like this. I really appreciate it if you do. It helps the channel. And subscribe. I've got some more stuff for you coming up to start the year off with a bang. Okay, let's get on with it. So keyword research, as you can see on the screen, I've picked a niche that is always overused. I know it is. Bear with me with the niche rowing machines. I just want to illustrate how this works. And the reason that I picked the niche, even though rowing machines are really, everyone uses rowing machines as an example, I want to show that you can do it with any niche. So here's the thing that I'm talking about. How do you do keyword research in 2023 without masses of competition and without fear of wasting a lot of time and trying to rank? Here's what you focus on. So let's take rowing machines, but let's look a bit deeper down. For rowing machines, you've got the different prices of rowing machines and the different types. You can see here on the screen, you've got air rowing machines, you've got hydraulic rowing machines, magnetic and water. So they're all good to focus on, okay? So you've got the different prices, everything from $200, even $150, all the way up to $1,000 plus, depending on the what you get with it and the professional rowing machine that it is. Okay, so lots of different price points. This is where I want you to focus in 2023, though, that will make a difference for you. Use those two, price and type, but the main thing that will make the difference is use, the reason that people buy it in the first place. And when I'm talking about use, I'm talking about, we could look at it in a very easy way of looking at it is like beginners and experts and the different features that they look for. But I'm going to illustrate this and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. So here we go. Let me just swap this over for you. In fact, I'll just go here. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Rowing machine for. Okay, so when people buy things, they're buying for a certain reason. And one of the ways that you can get ranked a lot quicker and get searches as well is by going for these uses that people are searching for the rowing machine in this case. So people are buying for beginners, of course, but they're buying for weight loss, and they're buying for belly fat, and they're buying if they're tall, and they're buying if they're heavy. And there's so many of them. Okay, so you can use a keyword tool. I'll show you that in just a second. And you can get all of these 4 key phrases. And this is really what people are buying them for. So I know rowing machine for cardio. Okay, so you can pre-populate some of these. Rowing machine for strength training. Okay, rowing machine for core strength. Rowing machine for back strength. Rowing machine. Then you've got the other areas that people look for and buy on, like this. Rowing machine with screen. Rowing machine with water, like water. Rowing machine with a water tank. Rowing machine with weights. Rowing machine with Bluetooth. Okay, rowing machine with resistance bands. And you can see straight away these are all really good buying key phrases, but narrowed right down on what people are looking for. And then you've got ailments. Okay, rowing machine with back support or back problems. What rowing machine should they go for? Rowing machine with leg problems, or as you can see here, leg resistance, or rowing machine leg with a broken leg even. Okay, so I'm not saying go for all of these, but what I am saying is that for 2023, whatever you're promoting, be it a physical product, go right into the for and with key phrases, because they will give you very targeted key phrases. They will give you very good buying traffic, and they're easier to rank for. And you can go for pretty much any niche and get ranked a lot quicker by going for these phrases as well. The other thing that you can do that I wanted to show you today is this. Check this out. You can go to your keyword tool that you like. So here we go. I'll just load this up for you. Okay. So you can go to a keyword tool. Uber suggests this one is Mangools Tools, and you can um, type in your main key phrase, like in this case, rowing machine. Okay. And what you can do is order this keyword difficulty to have a look at the easiest. And then you can scroll down, and very, very simply, you can see the green. A lot of these that are coming up are actual product names. Okay. But you can see here best row machine under $500. Refurbished rowing machines in there, different makes and models. Sometimes you have to look through, but you got here best magnetic rowing machine. You got the Max Car rowing machine with only like 23 in terms of keyword difficulty, 1,300 searches, and you can go for some of the easier search key phrases as well. You can play about with the keyword and type in like rowing machines for fitness, for cardio, and have a look at the searches on there. The other thing I wanted to show you today is that will really, really help you and help you with the content. Let me just show you. Okay. This is a really, really good tip. So I'll just show you this. When you're doing that keyword research, so let me go back to here. When you're doing that keyword research, there you go, you're back with me. When you're doing that, like I've picked rowing machine with screen here, okay? What you can do as well is look at some of this. People also ask. Okay, look at those people also ask questions. As it stands now, they normally correlate directly to the phrase. In this case, they don't, but you can see that people are asking, is there a rower like Peloton with a screen? Okay, so you can see how it correlates. And then you've got row machine with games, row machine best rower for home. See how that correlates in terms of the questions, and mention some of those questions in on your content. So you got, can you add a monitor to a row machine? If you have that aid on your content, and then you point people through to the rower in this case, it will work really well. So a quick recap. Yes, use all the standard things like the price and the different types. But if you really want to smash it in 2023 with your affiliate sites on any product, go for uses, think about for and with, and think about ailments and health problems as well. And that will allow you to rank. And then all you need is some product reviews that are great fits for what you're talking about. So a great rower for someone with a bad back. Use that, and then use some of the top questions in on your content, and you will rank a lot easier, and you will do well in pretty much any niche. So give us a thumbs up if you like that. Use it. Let me know if any questions, and I've got more coming on the way for you. Cheers, guys. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.